Today, we're doing a smart film installation on campus. This one features a custom logo, one of our specialties at Smart Glass Country. As always, we begin by thoroughly cleaning the installation area still, the key to a smooth and hassle-free smart film install. Then we get the glass panels into place before applying the smart film. Now our pros install the smart film and do the wiring. The attention to detail shows. Look at these edges. Let's take a look at the finished product. At Smart Glass Country, we make ordinary glass extraordinary. Contact us today for a free quote for your custom switchable logo. Browse our YouTube channel to see more installations in action.